British people can be very vague about things, and when we're being vague, we use the word ish, and this is how we use it. Approximate times. We're meeting at the restaurant at 5 o'clock. I'll be there about 5-ish. We're meeting at 12 noon. I'll be there lunchtime-ish. I'll be there 12-ish. Descriptions. That jacket's bluish. It's greyish, bluish. It's warm today outside, isn't it? It's quite warmish. Is your wife short or tall? Well, she's tallish. Opinions. Are you ready yet? We need to go. I'm ready-ish. I've just got to put my lipstick on. Unsure. What time are you going to be here? I've been waiting. I'll be there soonish. So there you go. How to be vague in British using the word ish. Follow for more.